thought I'd just quickly record it. I kind of came a little bit late to the recording. I already put in the order and stuff, so kind of have to run you through what I did. So let's see what happens here. So what I did was, soon after that trade, so that trade that I closed out earlier, if you saw earlier, Cypher Pact, we've got another trade now, so which is basically a simple structure trade, right? Nothing complicated. Basically, all it is really is a structure trade. So hold on, let me just move this down a bit. Oops again. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so I want to draw drawing mode. So basically the market's done this, right? Then it's broken structure, and then we had some consolidation, and this is kind of a false break. So we did close at a higher, make a higher close, but essentially it's a false break, and then the market moved down. Now I actually got into another trade soon after, right about here, and closed for targets down there. So I didn't get a chance to record that one, but that one was a really good one. But that was a structure trade as well, where the market came in to retest this level here. So as soon as I realized that this was a false break, came back up to retest, and then got in short. And purely for targets, I just used the Fibonacci extension to find targets, and the target was down at 161. So I closed out there, right? That was pretty quick. That lasted like about 10 minutes or so, so that was good. So with this one here, what we're looking at is simply the market's done that. So the false break came up to retest, and then we came down and we broke below this kind of trend line support there. So then we came back up, and this is purely a structure trade. So we're looking for the retest. Okay, so now that we've confirmed the down move, we're looking for the market to come up and retest, right, and get involved. So I got in at market. I didn't even put in an order limit. I just went in straight away. And then we're looking for the market to come back down to retest this previous level here. I've got my targets there. So this is on the 5-minute chart, but I'm just showing you on the 1 minute so you can actually see the price action. So it should be okay. So wait for the market to come back up to here. Oops, wait for the market to come back up to maybe around this level here. Then we should get a reversal and come back down to retest. But what I might do actually is I'm going to move my target up to about there. And the reason why I've done that is because, again, like any other trade, I don't like the fact that the market could come down and play these little games with you. If it just blows right through, that's great, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it just flirts there and then it just goes straight back up. So I just want to make sure that that doesn't happen. Okay, so we got the retest there. All right, the market looks like it's coming back down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stops again to probably around there, reduce some of my risk, and hopefully we should see some follow through here. So far so good. I've taken 4 trades, and this is the 4th one. So this one should hopefully come out as a winner, which should be anyway. So this one was actually more of a straightforward trade than the last one I showed you. So yeah. Alright, so okay, so what I'll do is I might pause it here and then I'll come back to it in a tick. Alright, so not much happened. Thought I'd slow it right, see how we go. Ooh, this is interesting. So we kind of got this market's kind of doing this now, so it's going to be interesting. So it's done this kind of, so if it breaks out of this level here, which I hope it doesn't, it could get stopped out, but usually it might pull back first, but we'll see what happens. Just get rid of all these crap there. Yep, okay. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to break out, which is not good. If it breaks out, it could see some follow through. It looks, yep, start to see some, get some volume too. So that's RSI start to peak out. So we might get stopped out actually. Come on, okay, come on. Let's see a reversal here. Could be a false break maybe. Could see some. No, I don't think so. We've got some bit of buying here, so. Yep, gapped up, so this doesn't look good. We're gonna get stopped out. Whoops. Oh, that's got a bit of a doji candle here, so can we see a reversal? Come on, don't stop me out. Stay there, you bastard. Oops. Yeah, boy. Alright, so what do? No, I'll keep my stop. Okay, so this might not look so good. So see this trend line here? So it looks like the market's going to come down and retest this. And if it retests this and we get a bounce, right, it's not going to, we're going to get stopped out for sure, right? But if it comes in and retests and it fails and falls right through and closes below that trend line, then you know, it'll turn back in our favor. So I just want to kind of just draw this again. I will get stopped out. So I might pull my stops a little bit lower there, you know, because I want to be out as soon as I know I'm wrong, right? I don't want to risk more than I have to, right? So if there's a higher chance that I'm wrong, then I'll have to reduce my risk, right? And sometimes you can see this a lot earlier, but you know, you got to let the trade play out. You can't just make assumptions early on because anything can change, right? So like when I went into this trade, like this is a simple structure trade, but obviously things, you know, turned around pretty quickly. So I just have to reassess it from there. So yeah, so it's a fair bit of support there, but the RSI is starting to go down. So it's going down to oversold. So this could be, we could see a breakout right about now probably. Oops. Jesus Christ.
Stop.
Got filled, so we lost. Made a losing trade there. So, just want to check how much was it. So about 30 bucks, 40 bucks. So it could have been more because we had our stops up there. So yeah. Anyways, doesn't matter. They did happen. So yeah. Take it easy, guys. See ya.